Got these off eBay for $16 for 2 of them, and this is going on a 2002 Mercury Sable. It's just like an old beater car, but it's basically the same as a Ford Taurus. And so, yeah, the front 2 hood shocks just stopped working after a while. But anyway, so all you're gonna need is a screwdriver, a flat screwdriver. A smaller screwdriver works best, and sometimes, I mean, a pick like this comes in handy too, but I'm just gonna show you how to do it with a screwdriver. So, right now, well, I did have a board in here to hold it up, the hood, but I changed that one already, so that shock, so I took the board out. But anyway, I'm gonna change this one too, because that one, it holds it up when it's all the way open, but it doesn't hold it open like as much as it should. So basically, you want to find the side of the shock that comes loose easier. So like here's a new shock, and you can see there's only a small hole there. Come down here. There's only a small hole right here. You want to go in there and you want to pry that pin out. But then on the other side, there's a bigger hole right here. There's a bigger hole here, so you can get a screwdriver in there very easily. So I'll just go in here with my screwdriver just like that and pop this side open. So that's the easier side, so I'm gonna do that first. And then you actually shouldn't have to take the other side off. You'll just basically pop it off after you get this side off. I usually put my hand over the clip so the clip doesn't fly, you know, so you don't lose the clip. Just pop it off like that. And then, so I got this side loose. If you come up here, you just kind of hold it like this, and you can either twist it, or you can just pry it like this. But you want to make sure that you don't bend this thing here. You don't want to bend that bracket. But the easiest way is just to pry it a little bit, and it'll just pop loose, because it'll just force this pin back and then it'll pop loose. But you do want to make sure that you don't bend this thing or break anything like that. But yeah, anyway, so now you just grab your new one, the new one right here. Just gonna pop this side on. You want to make sure that's on good. And then you just come down to the bottom here, and they're always extended all the way, so you're gonna have to push the shock together in order to make it fit. So you're gonna have to push back and pop it into place, and just like that, and that's it. So yeah, I mean, as far as, they use the same shocks for your hood as they do on trunks of most cars, but every trunk is different. These shocks aren't always the same size. So just go on Google or eBay, or if you want to get them online, just search, put in what year of vehicle you have and the make and model, and then type in hood shocks or trunk shocks, and you can order them like that. That's the cheapest way that I've found. And you can also get them at any auto parts store, but they're usually a little more expensive. But it also depends what quality you want. If you want to get like a very good quality, then you might as well just go to an auto parts store. But for a cheap car like this, I don't think that these shocks are gonna give out before this car does. So so yeah, I just put cheap ones on here, because all the cheap ones I've put on, they've never given out. So yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully this video helps you out.